Okay, stream's not off to a good start so far. Made the very smart decision to set up right in front of what I'm guessing is the hot water heater. No, this is the furnace! Yeah, I really like this song. Never Alone? Oh, never mind. I didn't say that. Forget I said that. I'm young and hip with the times. Stopped! Yay! Can I rotate it? Yeah, no, now it's not working. Right. What if I do it upside down? Oh, it's like reversed. Oh, wait. Oh. What? Cheap! If she has 100 fans, I'm one of them. If she has 5 fans, I'm one of them. If she has 0 fans, I'm dead. No jobs. Whoa! There's a part in this that, is kind of funny to me. It's this one. It's just so goofy to me, I don't know why. Here it comes. Because they don't have any of the, like, double notes or the, like, the hold notes. Let's see what songs are- I love this song! Whoops! Whoops! The live edition! Miku's Day. Sankyu's Day. Sankyu's Day. No. Sankyu's Giving Day edition. Whoops.